Welcome to CAD Concepts. We will explore 5 important and useful Lisp routines in AutoCAD. Lisp routines are additional tool that help you automate your most of the common tasks. So, without wasting time, let's begin. If you want to download these Lisp routines, just leave a comment. I will share the link. You can download directly for free. If CAD Concepts tutorial helping you, must like and comment. Definitely, this will not cost you anything, but will help YouTube algorithm. Number 1. Batch text editor. This big plan we have, okay? Multiple text we have. We will edit entire text in one time, okay? As much as entire text we have, we want to edit entirely in just one time, okay? Let this BTE command. Just select all the plan, okay? And enter one time. Now you see here, you are getting one side, original text and new text. Well, you have option to edit just by clicking over the original text or new text. For example, we have here service room, okay, garbage room, service room, corridor, as much as text we have here. This bathroom I will keep just bath only. Let this here. Telephone room, see I am editing one by one, okay. Electrical room, telephone room, as much as we have here, we can edit effectively, okay. Let this fire room, okay. Let this uppercase, down and up. So entire text got selected. Now we are changing. See, original text will not change unless you click OK, okay. New text here, original text here. When you click OK, it will change entirely. Now you see here, before we are getting bathroom, now bath only. So entirely we have edited all the text in just one time. Well, this is the perfect way to edit all the text, text in just one time, just by selecting all the plan, or it can be anything. So this way you can utilize this Lisp routine to effectively rename your batch text. Number 2, batch rename layout. This number of layouts we have, okay. What I want to rename. We are not getting in proper order. Let this REL, you will get dialog box. All the layouts name here, okay. Older name and choose here new name, okay. So this first sheet we are getting ground floor layout. So let this here ground floor plan. Then second we are getting typical floor plan. Let this here typical floor plan. And then third we are getting roof floor plan. And then fourth top roof floor plan. And then fifth elevations. So what I did here, we are getting all the text name in one place. Now you see when we click OK, all the layout got renamed. So this way you can rename your number of layouts in just one time, as you see here, in proper and clean order. Number 3, quick selection. Let this here SOB, which is select object, and click over the object. See, instantly it will select. When you will click over the object, it will select similar object in just one time. For example, let this here SOB, click over the text, it will select particular text with the same name. As you see here, I have selected dining, so it got selected. So any particular name, hatches, blocks, it will select in one time. As you see here, I have selected bedroom. Now I can get entire bedroom. Let this block, particular block. Now you see number of 4 particular block we are getting here. Then again, if you see here, number of hatches got selected. So text, block, hatches, by name, a specific object, number of similar object, it will select entirely in just one time. So this is the best way to select quickly your object with particular name, particular blocks in just one time, even hatches also. Number 4, change object color. This, for example, I just gave a reference. This multiple lines we have. Let this COC, which is change object color. Click over the first object and select all the object, enter. So first object color you will get in all the object. Select first one, select all, enter. Select first one, select all, enter. See, when you will click first object, then you will select entire object, it will change color, as you see here. This one, select all, enter. This one, select all, enter. So you do not require to go property. As you see here, see, it will not change property. It will not change layer. It will change just color only. Number 5, line type scale. This multiple line types we have. We will scale entirely. Okay. Directly, no need to go in property. Okay. Let this here, LTS. Click over the line, enter, and choose your scale. You have to type your scale. Now you see here. Here also, choose your line input scale. Before what you do, before you select, then go property and then change. But directly you can change from here. As you see here, this one also, just you select your line type, enter, and put your value to change its line type scale. Here also, select your line type, choose your size. Now you see here, select your line type, choose your value. Now you see here. So this way you can change line type scale directly over the screen. I hope you got these Lisp routines helpful. If you want to download for free, just leave your comment below. I will share the link. Well, you are most welcome to download more than 300 plus advanced automation tasks. You will get amazing insights over there that will help you significantly streamline your design task. How you got this tutorial? Must leave your feedback. Must like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt, must leave your comment as soon as possible. I will reply your query. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.